This is now back in action again. Last time I was here, the pump was out of the water, being for these canal side pond sections are being maintained. Once this little walkway and bridge go over this particular waterfall here. It's got a flange on it and the water just runs over it, as you can see. It's quite a nice effect. And the old massive crane again. And the pump was literally just here. Obviously, it's now being submerged back in the water again. I can't even see it. You attach that chain just there. Yeah, there's actually a great bed under the water. Oh no, I found it. It's just there. I can't pick up on camera, but it is there. Laying its side. So yeah, it goes through that pipe all the way around. See the pipe goes into the concrete waterfall over there. Continues through right to the back of these canal side sections here. So go back along the bridge again. Well, and the water's really flowing over that flange there. Okay. Oh, there must be a power supply there or something. Interesting. Okay. Actually, yeah. So we are at the second waterfall now. This one's more buried underwater, which they actually both are. So yeah. That goes right up to the end. This one does. Yeah. So the waterfall on the other side there, on the other side of the bridge, goes under a gap, tiny gap under the bridge just there. Not a very big gap at all. So they go down to this little lower down section here, which runs just alongside the canal side. Well, I mean at the same level as the canal side does, or the canal does. What's this? Something's falling in the water just there. That it's like a menu is falling. Someone's just dropped in the water. So you can see the water flows. So it goes under the bridge, flows down the waterfall just there. So yeah, proceeding just down there to the tail bend just there. Get a nice view from it. Through it down here. See the pipe where the pipe finishes. See the pipe goes all the way along from the from pond. So yeah, that's the final waterfall. Yeah, the pipe runs along the back of the curb there. Nothing metal curb. I'm not too sure how it flows out, but it does somehow. So yeah, this is where it starts. Okay. That's where the cycle starts. You'll see it flows all down to the front and then back to the pump again. And then to the front and then start flowing again. Crossing canal itself. Obviously last time I was here, this is all half empty now. It's obviously all filled up again, and all waterfalls back and working again. So yeah.